how to get Robux with an Xbox gift card. Here's how it works. First, you open up your computer search and you want to search for store. Here, open up the Microsoft Store and make sure this is signed into the same account which you use for Xbox, or the one that you use to play Roblox with. Once you have signed into your account, click on your name in the top right and then choose the option for redeem code or gift cards. Here it's going to show you this. Again, make sure you check out the email address and make sure this is the one that you use for Roblox, and enter the code right here. Afterwards, you will click on next, go through the prompts and redeem your funds. Afterwards, what you have to do is go to Google and search for Microsoft Store Robux and click on this first option that pops up. Right here, you can choose a different amount as well, and you will click on buy. Here, if it's connected to your account, then you will click on next and you will simply use your funds which are added to your Microsoft Store account to purchase the Robux. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.